Alright guys, today what you have is a 330 BMW E46 headlight swap with the corners. Make, you know what I'm saying, we got the angelized black housing, only right. So to take those headlights off, pretty simple. The corner light kind of clips on, so you can just like pop it out and unclip this by pressing down on the clip that's from the car. And then you got the light that goes right here, which is 3 screws, 2 up top and 1 behind the light right here. So you would get it from up top here, bam. And it's easy because they're all 3 right here. You know, you got some bolts, then you got a torque bit right there. So we went ahead and took both. These are the old ones. These are the new ones. So now we're going to install that little kind of like molding that goes underneath that shit right now. Alright, so when plugging these things up, aftermarket has these things, right? I guess these are for the halo. But my factory plugs are like this. So what I'm going to do is splice them. You already know how that go. So 2 for black, 2 for red. And hopefully it'll turn on. Chances that it work are very high. So I'm getting ready to splice these up, tape them down, and put the molding on, which is getting cleaned right now because it's so dirty. And then we'll be right with you. So right now, installing the corner marker. Of course, we got that blacked out. You know what I'm saying? While Mike is working on that, I took the liberty of actually installing one of them. Might I tell you, shit looks fire piece. This is how it used to look. What a difference. And it lined up perfectly. We got some set of those torque bits, good old Phillips head, and the socket bolts. Did it? You see, it show the guys out there in the internet world. Beautiful. This guy really knows what he's doing. Nice. Let's get that bad boy. Now what we had to do now, since remember I told you we had to splice the wires, so we spliced everything. Everything's there. Alright, here we go. Get the corner one. That one's a little tough. Yeah, fucking play with it. Yeah, get under it. Yep. Snap that one in there. And we have a couple more. This goes to that. We're gonna get that done in a second. Covering the camera the whole time. Great. Like a glove. You get any?
I'm trying.
Twist. And position record. Can't about the mechanic gas. Alright, and this is the finished product. Go ahead, turn on the lights, Mike. Regular. High beams, flash me. Hit me with the high, just bang. We're gonna put the HIDs on them when we put the Hammond fog lights. But this is where we at. Alright. I mean, got the bro helping out. Dig me. That is your 330 Ci M3 package headlight swap.